10 foods for fertility that can boost sperm count. You should maintain a healthy diet if you want to improve your virility as a man and are planning a pregnancy. Your health may benefit greatly from including both vegetarian and some meat-based foods in your diet. You can naturally increase your sperm count by eating healthy foods. So don't procrastinate too much. If you want to enhance your sexual life and have a baby soon, look over this list of foods and incorporate them into your daily diet. Foods that may increase sperm count. Continue to subscribe and watch to learn which vitamins and foods increase sperm count in men and start incorporating them into your diet immediately. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and share with friends. 1. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is the first and most likely effective food to do so. Antioxidants abound in the cacao beans used to make chocolate. L-Arginine is an enzyme found in dark chocolate that contributes to sperm volume growth. 2. Eggs. It goes without saying that eggs are the primary superfoods for boosting sperm count. Protein and vitamin E found in large quantities in eggs aid in sperm motility. Consuming eggs increases the likelihood of fertilization twofold by shielding sperm from free radicals. In addition, zinc, which is known to increase sperm motility, is abundant in eggs. There are countless ways to consume eggs to increase your sperm count. 3. Bananas. The obvious choice for increasing sperm production is bananas. The nutrients magnesium and vitamins B1 and C, which increase sperm mobility and aid in sperm production, are abundant in this fruit with a phallic shape. A rare enzyme called bromelain is also found in bananas, and it promotes sperm motility and counts. They can also balance your sex hormones and lift your spirits. You have sufficient and more reasons to continue eating bananas if you enjoy doing so. 4. Garlic. Garlic increases sperm production in the scrotum and prevents cancer. It contains allicin, which is necessary to stimulate blood flow to the appropriate areas. The sexual organs receive free blood flow, which shields them from harm. Another significant enzyme in garlic, selenium, aids in sperm motility improvement. 5. Spinach. Leafy vegetables are beneficial to our health because they assist in regulating numerous bodily functions. In particular, leafy greens can aid in the production of sperm. Folic acid, which is crucial for the sperm's development, is abundant in spinach. 6. Walnuts. Although walnuts are well known as brain food, they also aid in sperm production. Because they contain a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts enhance sperm vitality. 7. Oysters. Zinc helps to increase sperm motility, and oysters are a great source of zinc. Eating oysters will therefore stimulate the reproductive system because they contain taurine and glycogen. 8. Pomegranate. Pomegranates have a reputation for boosting sex desire. Due to their abundance in antioxidants, they also aid in boosting sperm production in terms of quantity and quality. Pomegranates can be consumed every other day either raw or juiced. 9. Carrots. Carrots can be consumed as a snack or as a vegetable. Carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that maintains the health of the sperm by protecting it from free radicals. This, in turn, aids the mobility of the sperm, thereby helping it reach the egg. 10. Olive oil. Consumption of olive oil regularly helps improve sperm count and quality of sperm. It keeps the bad cholesterol levels low, increases the flow of oxygen to the testicles, and helps in the formation of healthy sperm.